The Kharkongor clan has stepped forward to clarify the claims made by the villagers of Umpernai and Urmasiujo regarding the land known as Mausau, which is associated with the Kharkongor clan. In their clarification, the Kharkongor clan stated that they have no involvement with these two villages as the land in question exclusively belongs to the Kharkongor Nongthamai Pulun clan. Speaking to the media, clan leaders provided evidence, including documents, signatures and maps, to confirm that the land is located on a hill with clearly defined boundaries. They emphasized that their land does not encroach on the territories of these neighboring villages. This was further corroborated by members of the Umpernai Village Council, the Mantris of Karim Sameship, district council authorities, clan elders and members of the Kharkongor Nongthamai Pulun Youth Association during an inspection conducted in October 2024. Additionally, the clan leaders revealed that there are over 15 houses and more than 50 shops on the land. In accordance with the law, they have submitted letters to the SAM of Kairim and the KHADC to officially recognize Mausau as a village. Currently, Mausau lacks formal recognition as a village because Umpernai and Urmasiujo have both laid claims to its ownership.
Kajing jale ban yo snong kalaya nadu snam arja khat nyo bat ni raya lamba katkum na usiem hima khairim bat kumjuru na ka office jong district council na balbang ni sutho bat nitem badi kini ki board ki badi khmi bat bala balai snong katkum ka jingong bangi ya like ya ka snong Umpernai ndai kamtan kanu ka documentation ne historical background ba ka snong Umpernai lene snong Urmasiujo kidei kisnong kemi jongi hapling ni ka jingyai lenti jongi banyo ya ka snong la jong nilap ba kidan asli kisnong kata kisnong Umpernai bat kisnong Urmasiujo ba ki kam snong ya ka brikur jongi kamta ni snong dei ba usiem hima khairim bat ka district council kan chimya ka rai halor kan ye khnang ba mangiru balong trai ya ka khando ka siap hangtei bangin yo la ya ka jong ka bor ban pet ya ki jingkan kam kum ki lenti ki singkin ki ka umbam umdi bat kiwi jong ki parkur bat kiwi ru ki nong singsnong ki badan hangtei hamosa akwa ban pesgo bangi khamle politics e ru am number ba nadu ki to ki por bangi pan ban ithu snong ya ka mosa ni don ru iba la cheplang khar ngol liet la cheplang khar ngol iba la long ru kom cm hagit ki snem 8000 khat khandai bat mai ru ila ya persang kat bala ban bile ban ngimyo snong rei ka ki ding lambar ba bun ki ba hap ndat ikhamla ban penyo snong ha to por lambar ba hab yai bek kat kum ka procedure jongka office na por district council akwa ban sngoru ba jingdam jong kiyeng komba ngila yo sngo ba ka long komba khai yeng ite ba smut benang ba kalabeng palat bangin yo snong na balba ngasu ai example hune ba kidan kisnong kum kisnong longkriam hadu por bi snong kidang dan komba po spoi bat kumjuru ka snong iselwat kadang dan komba atko option ye bat ni keman ba kata khai yeng ru kalabeng ngi man yo snong pada plus lagi dupan ke pedang te kala khambun man kata dah ha bakado aku ban paru ya kajing sokuman ya karai jong ka district council ke pala sngap ya ka jingot jingnam jong kikur ba kala itu snong ya ka brikur jongi
nga kum general secretary jong ka seng samla Kharkongor Nongthamai Pulun na sokumen ba ka district council kala itu snong yang i hadian nyo snam kanthi kemudian sedang nengkong do yakni hausnam ar-hajar khat nyo da ka watho ashthi shows em khairem ndre yakni ka por Christmas pan habangi dei banyele kemen sudan par kajing sngo diaw hapo kam siam jonga ba ki parash nong mar khap khamtam ka Umpernai mo ka banga khamya dei nga khamya jan par ka bun ki parlok bangi thu I tharu makiru nga tharai ki dap da ka jingling ngo Bada ka jing benyau halor kani ka kam jungi. Henry ka jing ele jungi kadai namta ki parakur ba namta ki nongsong shnong hi. Bang yu ibu anti ki jing duna hang tei ba ni sngow. Ba ni kwa ban pendap yakini ki jing duna baro. Ngem kwa dalileiru ngem kwa ba ngem turu tang khndiat ru. Shaki jaka shnong jongka umpernai ne jongka urmasi ujo ne jongka pinton mon. Mereka jingmut jongi kedai bangin syong bat sensar hapo jong upur usam jong keberi khar kengor. Kebangi don hok bat ngin yayeng hala kanong rim. Ngan cuba ya pi ba kejingnya dei kekur khar kengor bat kasnong umpernai bat kasnong urmasi ujo kalong ka bajeliu bha. Haba kini kisnong kidon kamadan football lani jaka namta kitolong ne jaka bu top ne jaka sajjan nilong kiba keluit men siam ha ban ni kloy ban penbiang kini ki jaka da jing pular bangin pendon kamlang hadian kani ka jing pan snong jongi ki para snong hante hom phnai ne masi ujo yo phia perkhat ba ladangi yo snong mangi yo phimut ba ngin kini no e kata ka madan football ngin kini no e kata ka umbam umdi kamlong ngin bat lakal pular bangila klei bangin ya pendon kamlang ti pemdei pendon kanu ka jing siir bat ngakrmen ba nang nish khmat ru ngin dang yo alat hi banya trailang namta ka jing bha jing miat jong baro hi bat ngaskwa pentip ru ikipat ba bron jaka hangtei ba kwa thiet jaka hangtei to shuyai sha ba ngi khndiat khnang bangin la ban penbet ikini ki kenru kenram tingin ya pensa nge swai ka jing ya dia thiet hangtei hadu ba yin penbena pat dukumwe kudai shu